Hello! Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do eyeliner. I will be showing you guys different styles and how to do them. Okay, so the eyeliner I will be using is the new color liquid eyeliner. And this is actually new and I will be testing it out for you guys. This is the packaging. I have to open it. Wow, wait, this looks really cool. Oh, so you turn it. So the first style I'm going to try is the cat eye. Cat. This is basically just a wing up. Okay, I have rolled my hair up. Okay, so it basically starts here and then you want to pull it up. So you want to follow your natural line here and go up. Like that. And now you just fill it in. Like that. Okay, now you want to close your eyes and go on your lash line. Oh, I failed. Want to use a mirror. And close your eyes. Like that. Want to go all the way to the inner corner. Like that. And it looks like very cute. I'm going to take the makeup off and I'm going to use the New Skin waterproof makeup remover. I'm going to show you. Oh, you have to shake it, I think. Okay, you have to shake. Okay, when you're using this, you have to shake to activate. Shook it. Ta-da. Okay, I'm just going to go like this. We're going to take the eyeliner again. This time we're going to start from the bottom and we're going to go out. It looks funny, but I'm going to show you what it looks like in the end. It looks so funny, but you want to basically look like that. And then you want to do the same thing on the other side. Oh no, clean it up. That's what my eyes look like. So we're going to pull on your eye just a little bit. And then you want to connect it. Same thing over here. Your makeup is never complete until you do your eyeliner. Remember that it finishes everything off. Okay, so now that we have this part, I know I look funny, but we're going to do the final part. Okay, so go like this. I have to pull it really far. And same thing on the side. Like that. Make sure it looks even and now you want to fill it in. So you want to go from the little top part, make a little triangle. Like that, and I'm gonna fill it in. I'm going to clean up parts of it that we don't want. I put contacts in, this is what they look like. Okay, so I'm going to take off this eyeliner and show you guys another style. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do the puppy eyeshadow now. You basically want to go and bring it downwards. Before we were bringing it upwards, but now we're going to bring it down because this makes you look very cute. Down. See that? Okay, so we still want to make a triangle, so we have to connect it and make a triangle. So you look very cute now. So you want to make a triangle on this side too. It looks very cute. So makeup can be very hard and eyeliner can be very difficult, but it is such an important part of your makeup routine. It really completes your eye makeup. And just know that if you make any mistakes, you can always clean it up. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!